Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Jamaica secured 3 medals in the 100 metres on day 6 of the 21st staging of the Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Australia. As Simon Preston reports, the nation's medal tally now stands at 4 overall.
It was a day that promised so much for the Jamaican athletes, with 4 athletes entering across the women's and men's 100-metre finals. Olympic finalists Christania Williams, Natasha Morrison and Gayon Evans were all trying to join Merlene Ottey and Sherry-Ann Brooks as the only Jamaican woman to win gold at the Commonwealth Games.
So we're at the first time of asking. Aye's out well. Williams had an absolutely shocking start. Aye in lane number 4. Philip of England going well in the medal position at the moment. But it's going to be Michelle Lee Aye, unofficially 11.14 seconds.
Michelle Lee Aye became the first female athlete from Trinidad and Tobago to win a track and field goal at the Commonwealth Games in 11.14 seconds, as the Caribbean swept all medals in the women's 100 metres for the first time since 2002. Williams with 11.21 and Evans, a personal best 11.22, captured silver and bronze respectively, joining Ottey, Brooks, Veronica Campbell-Brown and Karen Stewart as the only Jamaican woman to medal in the Blue Ribbon event. Jamaica's other participant, Natasha Morrison, ended 5th in 11.31 seconds. The nation's hope for success in the men's equivalent rested on the shoulders of 2011 world champion Johan Blake, who entered the final as favourite, having posted 10.06 seconds in the semi-final.
Away cleanly, Blake gets up and into, he's really just stumbling though now, has to pick up again, Hyman leading it over on the far side. In fact, Rogers is in the lead and Simbine is coming away. It's going to be Simbine's goal. Simbine gets it. Brunches might have got the silver as well. It could be a South African one too.
South Africa's Akani Simbine and Henrika Bunches took the quinella, while Blake, who did not recover from a poor start, walked away with the bronze. Johan Blake was unable to continue the trend of Asafa Powell, Lerone Clark and Kemar Bailey-Cole, who won this event at the Commonwealth Games in 2006, 2010 and 2014 respectively. Blake will be hoping for better fortune in the 4x100 metre relay, which gets going on Friday. These medals bring Jamaica's tally to 2 silver and 2 bronze medals at the Games. Jamaica will be hoping to build on this figure on Tuesday with representation in the final of the men's 110 metre hurdles, where DeJour Russell, Hansel Parchment and Ronald Levy face the starter, and the 400 metres with Javon Francis, Rashid McDonald and Demish Gay go for spots on the podium. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.
Now, double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson will be in action on Tuesday morning local time as she competes in the women's 200 at the Commonwealth Games. Thompson will compete in Heat 4, scheduled for 12:41 a.m. local time. Her teammate Shashali Forbes is down for Heat 1 at 12:20 a.m. and Sharika Jackson will run in Heat 5 at 12:48 a.m. In the men's event, that will include Warren Weir, Kenroy Anderson and Rashid Dwyer. Meanwhile, Andre Clark will be Jamaica's first representative on track as athletics action continues tonight. Clark will line up in Heat 1 of the men's 400 metre hurdles at 8:15 tonight Jamaica time. Jaheel Hyde will contest Heat 2 of the event, while Ricardo Cunningham is listed for Lane 7 in Heat 3. World Championship bronze medalist Ristanana Tracy will kickstart the women's equivalent as she lines up in Heat 1, while Rhonda White and Genevieve Russell lines up in Heat 2. Sean D. Thompson, Damar Gale and Tajay Gale Damar Forbes and Tajay Gale will lead Jamaica's field participation as they go in search of qualification in the men's long jump event. And Kimberly Williams and Shanika Ricketts will also look to add to Jamaica's medal tally at the Games as they line up in the final of the women's triple jump at 4:35 a.m. Jamaica time tomorrow morning. Jamaica will have 3 other opportunities to be on the podium, as you heard just now, through Roisin MacDonald, Demish Gay and Javon Francis in the 400 metres final at 6:48 a.m. on Tuesday morning. Unfortunate, that's how JFF President Michael Ricketts described we'll get back to that one. We take a break on Primetime Sports Monday. We'll be back with more after this.